Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I'm going to be doing a video on my favorite vlogging camera. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around.
Action fun and back to Lock 19 with Marta.
Alright, so let me tell you that my camera is in my purse, and my camera is always in my purse. I keep it there constantly because I live in fear that I will miss some kind of wonderful event and not be able to video it. I don't know why, but yeah. So I keep it in my purse constantly. So let me pull it out and show you what it is. Here we go. This is not it. It's this. Here it is. This is my camera. And I think it's adorable. It is a, what is it called? I don't know. I always forget. DJ1, I don't know, pocket cam. Yeah, you know I'm going to be putting it down for you. I'm going to put it in the description below. So DJI. DJI? Yeah. But look at it. It is so cute and so little. And I can't believe everybody doesn't have one of these. I mean, I already did a video on this when I got it, and I'm doing another one because I can't believe people just don't have this with them, especially ladies, because you can stick this in your purse so easily. Now, this is not going to be like a technical review, more than a, I don't know, a review of how much I love this. How's that? A love review. I'm going to just tell you. This has been my lifesaver because I don't like carrying heavy things. The camera that I use to do these sit-down videos face-to-face with you is a Canon EOS, I'm reading it right, Rebel T7i. Okay, that's the one I use. I am not ever going to take this camera out to do vlogging because it's humongous. It weighs too much. I don't like things that weigh a lot. I have this, which is like an adapter that you put the camera in, and then you can use a selfie stick like this. The only thing I don't like is this is an excellent selfie stick. This is by Benro, and these selfie sticks are great. But it's too heavy because of the quality. So this is connected with one of these wheels. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. That's my problem. I can't buy things because I don't know their names. I don't know what they are. I'm not a professional. So this little wheel has a, I'm going to unscrew it for you. It has this, and it goes into this. So I need another selfie stick that has this, but that doesn't weigh. This selfie stick has a remote control. I don't need all of that stuff. But I need the wheel. So I can go like this. And so I can do like this. Okay. Did you see that move? Oh, I don't want it to fall. No. Let me make sure it's on tight. So that is something that I bought extra. And it's cool because you don't have to take this off, and you can charge it through there. And it doesn't use a micro USB. It uses the other one, which of course I don't know the name, but it's the other one that came out after the micro USB. Oh my gosh, I really sound like, hey, you know what? Get ready, prepare. But I don't like to prepare because I like to talk to you like I am, who I am, with all my faults. And one of my faults is I have an awful memory, so I forget these things. But let me show you something else that I bought because Gail, who is a content creator, Random Life Productions, I remembered, is like, she knows so much about cameras. You need to go check out her channel. I'm going to put the information there below for you to go and check it out. And tell her I sent you, okay? Because I like it when people know that I'm sending them my love. I'm sending them, you know, referrals. They're getting people over to their channel. We content creators love that, okay? So, remember I reviewed this, that I keep all my stuff in here. So let me show you the thing that I bought because of Gail. I don't know where I put it. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. Yeah, but it's not in here. I took it out of here so I can show it to you. But I'll show it to you, but in the meantime, I'll show you this. I know that the angle that you get on this is not a wide angle. It's pretty tight, so you don't get a lot of the things around you. And when you're out vlogging, you want to share precisely that, the things around you. So Gail said, you know, there's a lens for that. I go, no, I don't. So she talked to me about a lens for that. She did say, you know, buy the original from these people, whoever they are, Pocket Cam people. I forgot. But I forgot. I mean, it was too expensive, so I didn't get it. And I got this one from, and she says it's no good. She says she has it and it's no good. Osmo, that's it. So, but I got the cheaper one. And it's it's a wide angle lens. Let me show you how it works. All right, so I found it. I got scared there. I said, oh my gosh, I threw it away. All right, so here are some of the little things that I have for using for my Pocket Cam. Is that what it's called? Pocket Cam? Osmo Pocket. All right, and this I purchased because I'm just going over my little accessories, the ones that I think are essential, okay? This one is needed because in order to transfer the information or the videos and pictures that you have on your Pocket Cam, you need to take out the little disc thing, I don't know what it is, a little card. You need to take it out, and then you need to put it in here, and then you need to put it in the computer. There's another way of doing it, which is a little too complicated for me, so I don't do it. Then I have this, which is basically a, I don't know what it is. It's a micro USB on this side, and on this side it is a, I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh, this video is gonna go down in history as the video of where I say the most I don't knows. Okay, this one is important because I use this one, or at least I'm going to use this one with my external microphone, because the Pocket Cam isn't that good when you are in the outdoors where it might be windy and you're talking to somebody, and sometimes I've done interviews and then you hear the wind because the microphone is far away from you. So this one is to connect that microphone. You connect this part to the Pocket Cam, and then this part, which is a little hole, to the microphone. I'm going to show you the microphone I got. So I have that, and then the Pocket Cam, is that what it's called? Pocket? No, Osmo Pocket, brings its own different little things for different phones. So it brings this one so that you can, I don't know what it's for, honestly. I don't know what it's for. I've never used it. I don't know. It's for the iPhone, it's for my phone, and for another phone. And I have no idea what it's for, okay? I don't know what it's for. But if I haven't used it, it can't be that important, right? I have no clue what it's for. They're gonna hate me. They're gonna say, why'd you buy our stuff? Don't buy our stuff. Okay, let me show you the camera microphone, and then I'll show you the wide angle lens. So this is the microphone that I bought so that I could put it here and connect it with this thing to the camera. And in order to do that, I need that adapter that I showed you. Now, one thing that is very, very important, and there is no technical way I can tell you, but you must get the one that has 3 black lines. I don't know why. I don't know what they mean, but there are some that have 2 black lines. You can't use that. got to be the 3 black lines. Then you use the adapter, and again, this is not the official Osmo adapter because they're too expensive. And then you put this in the phone here. You see where I have that hole right there? Stick it in there. And then you have your external microphone. The one that I bought has a whole bunch of things to it. I don't know if I'm ever going to use all of these things, but basically it's because you can connect a whole bunch of microphones. See, it has this adapter with a split thing here for you to put 2 microphones. So let's say you're doing a sit-down interview with somebody, you can have one and they can have one, and they're not sharing your microphone. See, this one has, what, 3 of them? Yeah, that's a lot of microphones. So this one that I bought, oh, and it has that, here, let me show you what I mean. An ASMR moment. See, you see this with 2? That will not work on your Osmo Pocket. Cannot use this one. So I guess this is for something else, some other equipment. And it also has, I just dropped something. It also has these little buffer things that you can put on, or let's say you lose one. Okay, let me grab what fell. And like I said, I haven't tried this yet because I like to keep it simple. You know, I know at some point I need to do this because I love doing interviews outside, but let me just put this down. But I hate complicating my life. The reason I love the Osmo Pocket is because it's small. I do not want to have to carry more stuff. I hate carrying stuff. So anyway, here. It comes in this bag, which is adorable. That's the branding. The bag has a zipper, which I love, much better than a drawstring. These zippers are much better. So kudos to Solid. I will link them below, and then they bring you information here. So these are called lavalier mics. Haha. So it brings 2 lavalier mics, 2 extension cords, 1 Y connector adapter. It brings 4 to 3 pin adapter, and it brings a storage pouch. This is good. I'm happy that I got this. And I might even use this instead of this, because I stick this in my purse, but I don't know. You know why? Because basically, you know what I do? I put this in here. Remember the bag that I told you that I have? That is 1 bag, and then it has 3 zippers for 3 separate compartments. I mean, this is like so cool. This is the best. Yeah, it may not be super fancy, but look, here I have some tea, and I have a nail file. Over here, I have all of my electronic stuff. You know, you need your charger, you need my little bag for my Osmo Pocket, and I have these ear things, which are very good, but so outdated. I need the Bluetooth wireless ones. I'm waiting to see if I can get some for a good price. And then on the bigger side is where I have all my makeup. So, okay. I love that pouch. I had to throw it in. And of course, I forgot the angle, the wide angle thing. Here it is. It comes in this, which, again, I wish it was like half the size. Look at the size of the lens. Tiny. Look at the size of this. It's like humongous. Hello, you could have definitely made it smaller. So I'm gonna have to come up with a way of storing this that it doesn't get scratched, but tiny, because this is not gonna work for me. It's not gonna work. Not working. So the way that you do this is that first you turn on your camera, because if you turn it on with this, it'll decalibrate it. This weighs more than it's used to in terms of turning it on. So you go ahead and you turn it on. See how it wiggles and goes back and forth and it does all of that. You've got to let it do all of that before you put on the lens. And then the lens is magnetic, so it just goes on like this, and it provides a wider angle. So that is excellent. I like it. I'm happy with it. Then you take it off. Don't forget to take it off. And then you turn off your camera. And that's it. You're good to go. I love this. Thank you, Gail. Go over and say hi to Gail. Now I have to put it back. And I don't remember how you put it back. Is it like this? Yeah. Okay, the only problem is this case is too big. What do you suggest that I could use instead? It's gotta be tiny and it has to have some kind of protection. I don't know, I bought some rings, but it's plastic, a plastic bag like this, like a little tiny sandwich bag. Very tiny sandwich, tiny. But it has no protection. I'll have to figure something out. All right, I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy.
Action, fun, and